Yeah, it's just really how friendly everyone is, and it's a much more laid back environment. You still have a lot of the same what's the word I want, like lifestyle, if that makes sense, that you find in Orange County, but it's definitely much more laid back and more relaxed and easygoing.
You recently moved to Scottsdale, so I'm curious from your brief period, what do you like most about it?
The thing that I like about Scottsdale is that it is a hot version of Orange County. If that makes any sense. There's a lot of luxuries, there's a lot of great restaurants, there's a lot of great resorts, and the people here. So I'm a native Californian. I've never lived outside of California before in my life. And the people in Arizona are so friendly.
Oh,
It's really, really been a surprise for me. Like, you could just be in a grocery store and a random person will start talking to you. And at first, like, I was really caught off guard because I was like, what are you talking to me? Because in California, it's just not like that. You do not talk to random people. But yeah, it's just really how friendly everyone is. And it's a much more laid back environment. You still have a lot of the same what's the word I want, like lifestyle, if that makes sense, that you find in Orange County, but it's definitely much more laid back and more relaxed and easygoing, which I really appreciate. That it makes things a lot less stressful.
would you say that you almost prefer Scottsdale's overall atmosphere to that of Orange County?
No, Orange County's in my heart. I am hopeful that, that's why I maintain my client base there. And I'm hopeful that either one of two things will happen. Either I'll be able to kind of maintain, kind of dual residency, if you will, or maybe I can convince my family to move to Orange County. That's probably not going to happen, but a girl can dream.
You can dream, of course.
Yeah.
So, on that note, if you were in charge of Orange County for a day, what would you do?
Ooh, I get to be in charge? That's a good question. But only for a day?
Only for a day.
Oh, that's not really enough time. Well, if I could have longer than a day, I would build my own highway. Because if you've ever been to Orange County, getting around is very challenging. So if I could have my own streets, that'd be amazing. Only for a day, huh? Okay. So if I just had a day that I got to be in charge, I would probably want to have a really, really large, fun carnival that was fun or free for everyone.
What would you call it?
Oh, that's a good question. Oh, that's hard. I have no idea. Maybe I would name it after my production company. I would call it Percy Floyd's. I don't know. That's a hard question.
Yeah, it's a little bit, but yeah, I think that's a fantastic idea. Having a big old fair.
Yeah, right. Just a large party. I don't know if you go to fairs, but I boycott them because I think they're so expensive and ridiculous. But I think it would be so great if you could just have like one large fun day and it was free and you could do, whatever you wanted.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Turn the city into an amusement park for a day.
Yeah. That sounds like a fun day.
Yeah.